Hi there, students. I've had a question from Abdel Rahman to explain the meaning or the usage of associate with. So, for example, if you associate with somebody, you spend time with that person. You could associate with a group of people. Yeah, he's spending too much time associated with rather dodgy characters, rather dishonest characters. Yeah, I don't want my children associating with with people like that. Okay, so to associate with someone, yeah, is to spend time with them, to socialize, to mix, particularly with a group or in a setting of work. So I don't know, when you at work, the people you chat to when you're having coffee, these are the people you associate with. Yeah, the people you hang out with. Okay, then you can associate one thing with another. You connect the two things in your mind. You join them together. Yeah, you link them. You could associate someone with something. So, I associate Pele with football, for example. Yeah, I associate fine cooking with certain very good chefs. Okay, I associate garlic and ginger with Asian cuisine. Okay, so there's a link between the two things in my mind. Yeah, so to associate, to connect the two things. You could associate with a cause or a point of view or an organization. You publicly support it. Yeah, so I was associated with this project. Yeah, I've been associated with it for the last year. The political party disassociated it from the leader who had been caught breaking the law. Yeah, or maybe a political party feels that they need to associate themselves with the green movement. Notice this as well, very commonly to associate. You can put a reflexive in it. So I don't associate criminals. I don't associate myself with criminals. Yeah. But then to associate one thing with another. Yeah, and that without the reflexive. Okay, so it's to have an association, to have a link, to have a relationship with something. Yeah, so you shouldn't associate with criminals like him. Yeah, he's always trying to associate himself with rich people. Yeah, I always associate you with with football. Yeah, okay. I always associate the smell of cinnamon to Christmas pudding, for example. Okay, so to associate oneself with something, to join with something as a partner or a friend. Yeah, to associate with different people. So to associate, to join a union or an association or a league, to associate with people, to spend time socially, to keep company with them. Okay, to join as a partner, an ally, or a friend. So I'm going to associate my name to Greenpeace. To associate different things together, to associate one thing with another, to connect, to join, to attach, to put together. Yeah, or you can associate things in your mind, to connect mentally in your mind. So yeah, I guess that's probably it. Let's see, to associate, I would give it a 5.5, 5.25 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from associo, yeah, add to, and socio, to unite, okay, to join. So to associate, to join together, and that's the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To associate one thing with another, to associate with somebody.